Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, June 27. The time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the pound US dollar here, 60 minutes time frame. Now we can see from the chart we rally in this with 1 here as a 5 waves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ended with 1 here. And currently we are in this with to pullback. So far we already have a first of all, let's take a look at the pattern of the pullback here. You can see it is overlapping and it is corrective, 3 swings. There is no impulsive move here. We got 3 swings down, bounce, and then another leg lower, and then this entire blue one here is also in 3 swing. So again, this is kind of giving you an idea that the market is bullish and not bearish, even though we can of course pull back, but it is still a bullish market, right? And currently we are looking for a little bit bigger pullback. So before we finish this with 2, so we might potentially do a rally in 3 swing and then go down again another 3 swing. So doing a double correction or double zigzag. We have a W, which is ABC, and then another ABC. Now this one is not a zigzag here, this is a flat, okay? And then we have an X, and then another possible 3 swings down. So it's a double 3 here. So once this is complete, as far as we stay above 123.60, we should be looking for more upside. So we have a bullish sequence, meaning we favor the upside, right? So we only like the long side in this case when we have a bullish sequence, and also right side up here in green. Now if we zoom out, we can see where the bullish sequence comes from. If we look at the daily time frame, now we can see right here from this low in September 2022, we have a rally. We continue to make a high, that's why it's bullish sequence, but we rally here, which is what looks to be one cycle, and then the correction completed here in the form of what looks to be like a flat over here. So we have this what we call a high sequence, and if you just simply do the Fibonacci projection there, so from the low here to this high and then correcting here, now you can see the 100% extension is still very far away to the upside. Also, if you look at it starting from this low here from March this year, you see a rally, right? And then you see a correction, and then you see extension, right? So if you look at it from the perspective of March low and just do a simple projection here, this is a rally, a correction, another rally, then the 100% extension is 131.70. So that's why you have a bullish sequence, because you do have a higher high without yet reaching the minimum target, which is technically the 100%. Okay, so going back to the 1 hour, then if we can get another leg down, then we should be able to find another support here at the next extension Y leg equal to the W leg for another leg higher, as long as we stay above 123.60. Now possible other option is we don't even need to do another leg down because it is bullish. So we could have ended with 2 here, for example, and then just rally from here without having to go down. So that's another option, but overall is bullish against 123.60. Okay, so if you want to get more updates on the pound dollars or any other forex, commodities, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.